Hey y'all, welcome and welcome back to my channel. I'm Adam Lee, the greatest man that you have met in the month of November. You guys, I did it. I did it. I conquered. I achieved something that I wanted to do for my channel for the longest time. And you know, I've only been on YouTube for about 6 months, maybe. And I, ladies and gentlemen, have vlogged every day for the month of November. And I am so proud of my journey. Guys, can you believe it? First of all, I want to say thank you to each and every one of you guys, even to my new subscribers that joined the family. I'm so grateful that you guys took the time to click on each video, watch it, comment, all of the things that you've done. You've liked them. I'm so grateful. This has been the most amazing journey that I embarked upon in a long time. I finally found my passion, being a content creator. This time next year, I hope to be a full-time content creator. I hope to be doing this for a very long time. I'm so excited. God is so good, and He revealed to me what I'm passionate about. It's this, making a video, editing the project, watching it at the end, and posting it on YouTube for everyone to enjoy. This is an amazing opportunity for anybody, and I want to give you just a few tips if you are interested in starting YouTube. Here are 10 things on being a successful YouTuber. Number one, create a list of different things that you want to talk about. For example, when I was creating my vlogs for December and I was creating my content, I created 31 days and wrote down 31 different topics. Now, I'm not saying that I'm going to record and post every single video each day. I'm just creating 31 videos, and hopefully at least 10 of those videos will give me the inspiration to create more videos. That's my first step. Number two, I narrowed it down to at least 3 topics that I want to talk about and I want to record. And so I created outlines, I did my research, I do whatever I need to do in order to make sure that I produce the best content for you guys to watch. Number 3, I choose the best one that's inspiring me the most, that makes me passionate, and I create an outline for that video. For example, here's my outline. I created an outline for what I want to talk about in my last vlog. I finally felt inspired to talk about this topic. After 300 subscribers, of course it may not be 300,000, but 300 is still hard work. Number 4, create your platform, create your set. As you can see, I've created my set. I have my Christmas tree. I felt like this was the perfect place to record my next vlog. Create your space. Make sure that your space is a representation of who you are. For example, I created one video where I was sharing my testimony. I was literally sitting on the ground because I wanted to show humility in what I was sharing. There was another video where I did the same thing. I create my atmosphere that represents what I am talking about. Number 5, record. Now, this is very important. I really want you to hear me. I really want you to understand what I'm saying. This step is very important because a lot of people think that they might not have the resources, they may not have the look. All you gotta do is start. I was nervous. I didn't know what to do or how to become a content creator. I came across one video by a YouTuber by the name of Erin on Demand, and she changed my life. She created one video that was expressing use what you have. She talked about using your cell phone and putting up in certain lighting, finding the best quality and in the best area. I mean, she basically gave me the complete inspiration. All I have is a cell phone. I don't have the best equipment. I would love the great equipment, and I'm hoping that my wife will bless me this Christmas, but until then, I don't have the equipment that I desire, but I have what I have, and I'm gonna use what I got in order to create the content that I desire. It's not the best, but it's a start. And so all you gotta do is just start. Take your phone, start recording, edit your video, and put it out there. You never know who you're gonna bless. So, question for you. Who is a content creator that you love watching on YouTube? Mine, for example, is Catherine Manning, Tariq Ali, and Erin on Demand. These top 3 individuals are so interesting, so funny. I love their spirit and personality, and they inspire me every time they upload a video. So who is yours? Let me know in the comments. So let's get back to it. We've got 5 more details. Number 6, editing. I use iMovie, and iMovie is free. There are so many other options out there. You use whatever you feel comfortable with. But for me, iMovie has seemed to be the most convenient and the most helpful for me. I plan to go into Premiere Pro or explore different options. But for the meantime, I really enjoy editing my videos in iMovie. Number 1, because it's a free platform. And free is always easy. Hello? Number 7, your thumbnail. Now, thumbnails are very important, and I know a lot of people want these wonderful thumbnails, and I use this platform called canva.com, and Canva is so amazing. They have all of the necessary tools that you need to be successful. A lot of times they already have what you need. You just gotta search, and you can be creative. Play around with it. Pause right there, because I want to say something that's important. Enjoy your work. You don't have to look like anybody else. It's nice to find inspiration, but enjoy your process. It's your work. Be proud of it. Number 8 is very important. Look at your video. Play it back. When you're finished with the editing, you're finished with your thumbnail, look at the video. Play it over and over. Play it for your friends. Play it for your family. Let someone look at it. Say, hey, is this video worth watching? Now, some of my videos were corny. I can agree. Some of them were a little different, and some of them, I don't even know why I created them. But at the end of the day, I stand by my work. Be proud of the work that you've done. Number 9, upload your video and be confident of what is going to happen. Don't look for success. Don't look to try to go viral. Just put out the content because you're passionate about it. Whatever happens is going to happen. Your video may flop, but as long as you give it your best shot, that is all that matters. And this is the final point. Number 10, do what makes you happy. Ladies and gentlemen, it's okay if you can't find a niche. Experiment, grow, enjoy. YouTube is an amazing platform, and you will find success. The only thing you cannot do is give up. Don't give up. Be consistent. Keep posting. Keep trying. Keep editing. Keep learning. Keep growing. Don't stop. Okay, guys? That is my 10 tips on how to start and have a successful YouTube channel. You can do this. I'm doing it. 300 subscribers ago, I never knew I would be in this position. 300 subs later, and I'm still going strong. That's only because I didn't give up. People have laughed at me. People have told me certain things about my channel that I'm not so happy about, but it's not gonna stop me because I know what I'm destined for. So what's next for Adam Lee and my YouTube channel? You guys, don't be alarmed. I'm still gonna come at you with some Monday motivations. I'm still gonna come at you with some Singer's Truth vlogs. I know I only did a few the last year, but guys, I was inspired by somebody who I was talking to, and he said, why don't you just make it a seasonal show? And I said, you know what, that is a brilliant idea. So in 2021, stay tuned for 10 more people coming for Singer's Truth. I don't know who they're gonna be. Well, I have an idea of some, but I don't wanna spoil it just yet. Stay tuned, Singer's Truth is coming back to you. Guys, I love you for watching. You guys are thebomb.com. Don't forget, like, share, comment, but most importantly, subscribe to my channel. And as I always say at the end of each vlog that I have said since I started, give somebody a call, tell them you love them, and show them that you care. That may be the only time they hear it or see it. And I love y'all for watching, and I will see y'all in the next video. Peace.